guys, I just came home from work today and I woke up so late and I had to take the train, so I didn't have time to eat breakfast and lunch. So I'm very hungry right now. So as soon as I came back here, then I made myself some food. This is dried fish, but smaller version, and then with vinegar in it. And then this one is spring rolls, and this is actually a frozen one from Netto. Yeah, it's sad, but I haven't tried ever making my own spring rolls. I don't really cook. So this one bought in Netto, already frozen, and then just fried it. Then here it is. The vinegar, of course, the Filipino sauce, vinegar, and onion and chili, and then the rice, and of course water. Now I'm gonna start eating. It is 4 p.m. right now, and I'm alone in the house. My husband is outside, not like outside, but he's with his friend. It tastes good. It's just vegetables inside. I like it. These spring rolls reminds me when I was still going to college, when I was in Cebu. Right outside the university, there's a Pungko Pungko. I don't know what it is in Tagalog or in English, but it's like a small eatery where people just sit down and choose food. And this is what I eat all the time because it was cheap and I like it at the same time. So as I remember it, it was 2 pesos, I think, for each, or 1. I cannot, it's been so long. And then, so normally I eat 4 pieces of this and 2 puso, that's the rice. So every taste, this seems like it brings back college life. It's crunchy. See, it's a small dry fish. I don't know what I call it actually. Dilis? I'm not sure, but it tastes good.
See that? Mm.
Round 2.
It's so spicy. Mm.